Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the swapping of two numbers using the third variable without using the third variable. We are discussing the two type of problems here, that is swapping of two numbers. Just like if you take an example, this is a example, just enlarge it. Okay, as the user enters two numbers. Okay, as the user enter two numbers, as A is holding the 10, B is holding 20. By using the third variable, that is C or any variable, we need to convert that swapping. We need to perform the swapping operation. As A is holding 10 and the A value is transformed to the B and B value is transformed to the A. That is the swapping. Okay, exchanging. It's a concept of. Just open the Eclipse. Okay, just close all the tabs and go to the particular package. Then click on new class swap using var and include the main method. Just go for finish. Okay, what is the first step? We need to use the scanner class, right? Scanner se is equals to new scanner, right? Then we have to use the system in, that is taking the input from the system. Okay, after that, what is our first step? We need to ask the user, okay, enter num1, enter a. Okay, enter a. What is the second step? Se dot next in. Okay, then we have to assign the variable, that is what? A. Okay, then copy that same line of code and execute. Enter the value of B, then store that entered value in the B variable. Okay, then we have to write the code. Okay, yeah. Then what is the first we have to do? By using the third variable, as a concept is demanding, we have to use a third variable. Let's take int of tempt. Okay, after writing the code, I will explain the code, no worries. Int of tempt, I mean, I was taking the new variable. Okay, I want to transfer the value. Okay, and which is a. As a value is transferred into the tempt, that means a became spacious, I mean no value within the a, so we have to transfer the b value into the a, right? We need to transfer the b value into the a, and b value, inside the b value we need to pass the b tempt. Okay, no worries, I will explain that. Yeah, then after final, just print a comma b, I mean a value plus within that, I mean it you are going to get right. Yeah, okay, no issue, we will print separately. Yeah, just run it. Okay, a is demanding 10, b is demanding 20. What is the output? So you can use like a space then plus. Okay, then take b space plus. Okay, if I rerun the code, then it will ask for the enter a value which is 10, enter b value which is 20. Open the console, and if I enter that, a value is again, it became 20, right? As a value we enter 10, but a value became 20 and b value became 10. That is meant by swapping. That means what we are doing here, we need to understand it. Just open the notepad. Okay, this is our main output, right? What is happening here? Okay, I was taking the third variable. Okay, I was taking the third variable. What is the third variable name? It's a tempt, right? Temporary variable. Okay, then what is the a is holding? As we know that a is holding 10, right? Then I have passed this 10 value into the temp. That means temp is holding the 10 now, and A is waiting. A is no value in it. So what is a initially A is holding 10, B is holding 20. Okay, we are passing the value of A into the temp variable, that is temporary variable. Okay, then A becomes spacious, that means nullable. Okay, then what is the next line of code? We are passing the B value into the A. As a B holding the 20, that we passed into the A. That means now A became what? Now A became 20, right? Then when you are passing the variable value into another variable, the B will become spacious, right? Then where we have stored our 10, we had stored in the temporary variable. Just pass that. Okay, then as a B will be 10. Okay, our output is changing the swapping the values, right? Initially A is 10 and it's became 20, and initially B is 20 and it's became 10. Okay, if I have any doubt, just comment me below. This is the code. Just open the Eclipse. Yeah, next what we have to do? What is the next step? Without using the third variable, how we are going to do? That's bigger thing. I mean, it's easy, not that much of hard. Yeah. Swap without var. Just take the main method and just click on finish. Okay, what is our just copy the few lines of code from the earlier code. It's not moving. Yeah, what is the first thing I have to do? I have to take the input from the user as a two alphabets, or sorry, two numbers, that is as you wish, as you enter. My assumption is that 10 and 20. Okay, after entering the details, I need to do that. What I have to do? I need to swap without using third variable. As earlier, we used a third variable and we passed one of the variable value into that and updated with the second variable. Then third variable is updated into the last variable. That's the criteria. But here we are not going to use any variable. Okay. Next, first take A. Okay, then do the addition to it. Okay, let's analyze the code here. Okay, as we know that my assumption is that I was taking the A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 20. Okay, and what is a value became now? Okay, 10 plus 20, as it's became A value became what? A value became 30. Okay, I mean at this line of code the A is became 30. Then what we have to get? What we have to do now? We have to get the B. As the B is holding 20, what is our original output we have to get? We have to get the B is 10, right? Then A minus B, right? As a value is here updated to 30. After performing A plus B, A value 30, B value is what? It's a B value is 20. What is the output you are going to get here? As a B is equals to 10. I mean the desired output. Okay, it has to change to 10 and it has to change to 20, right? The first step, we do the addition with both the variables values that give the summation value, that is 30. And next we need to find the B value. As the B value is A minus B, B is holding the 20 as the original value I have given earlier. Then after performing the addition, A value became 30 and we are doing the subtraction A minus B. Then we are going to get the 10. That means B value is swapped successfully from the 20 to the 10. Okay, now we have to look for the A value. How we are going to do that? A value, A is equals to A minus B. Okay, that means A is what? A is holding the 30, which is unchanged, but B is changed, right? From 20 to 10, 10, right? What is the result? What is the result? you got the result as 20, right? So 10 is also changed to 20. Okay, then s out of a, that is, you can use like a is a. And b is like b. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment me. I will explain one more time after the execution of code. Okay, enter a value, I was entering a, and enter the b value, I was entered 20. Okay, without using the tot variable, I have a value is changed to 20, b value is changed to 10. How we are doing that? First step is that doing the addition of two variables. Okay, a value is 10, b value is 20. These are the first given values. Then after performing the addition, the whole value became 30. Then I want to find the b value next. That by doing the a minus b, what the value you are going to get? Right, a is updated from 10 to the 30. As a b value is holding 20 and b gets swapped right here. A minus b will resulted in the b value swapping. So I was done that. So as a is 30, b is changed to 10. If I do a minus b, you will get 20. So that I will assign to a because a gets swapped there. That is 20. Okay. Then print the required variables. That's the code. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.